Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to remove markup area in Word document. So let's get started. So you want to remove the markup area in Word document. So to do that, what you can do is just simply open up your Word. Now if you want to remove your markup area, so to do that, what you can do is just simply tap on review. After tapping on review, now you will find this markup option. So here you will find markup view. What you can do is just simply tap on all markup and then simply tap on remove similar markups. And after tapping on this similar markups, you will find an option which is final option and original option. So you will find a final and original named option. What you can do is just simply select one of those options and your markup will be removed. So I don't have Microsoft 365 right now, so I don't have that option. So if you do have a Microsoft 365 subscription, then you can just simply change it from here. So simply tap on final or original, and after doing that the markup will be removed. So that's it guys, this is how to remove markup area in Word document. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.